Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, there's something we must do, and it's a very sad chore indeed for me to perform. In the world of boxing this past week, we lost two of our comrades. One, a man who lived a full and happy life and passed away at the age of 90. The other, who left us too soon. At this time, would everyone please rise for a moment of silence while our timekeeper, Roosevelt Gilbert, tolls a memorial count of 10 for Marty Cohen, trainer, manager, promoter, and a young man who fought his heart out 2 weeks ago in Las Vegas and passed away yesterday, Jimmy Garcia. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. May their souls rest in peace. And now, ladies and gentlemen, main events monitor along with your undisputed king of beers, Budweiser, presents a 12-round bout in the welterweight division for the IBC-Welterweight Championship of the World. This bout is sanctioned by the New Jersey State Athletic Control Board, Boxing Commissioner Larry Hazzard Sr., and the International Boxing Council President Joseph Blackie Gennaro, supervisor at ringside Debbie Jones. The three judges scoring this bout on a 10-point bus system will be John Riley, Richard Strange, and Tim Figley. And when the bell rings, the man in charge of the action, referee Frank CAPPUCCINO. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, wearing the pink trimmed with black and weighing in at 143 1/2 pounds. His professional record, an outstanding one, 35 victories, 27 KOs against only 3 defeats. He comes to us from Zebulon, Georgia. Ladies and gentlemen, the top-ranked challenger in the world, the Nature Boy, Homer Lee Gibbins. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing the red and black and weighing 147 pounds. His professional record, also an outstanding one, of 51 victories with only 3 defeats, 24 KOs. And in his professional career, he has captured 4 world titles. Ladies and gentlemen, from San Juan, Puerto Rico, presenting the IBC welterweight champion of the world, the Macho Man, Hector Macho Camacho.
Good evening, gentlemen. You were both given your instructions. Touch gloves.
We are set for the start of this 12-round IBC Welterweight Championship. The ring records have been brought to you by The Ring, the Bible of boxing. Hector Macho Camacho with the cigar, in tribute to late manager and promoter Marty Cohen, who was with Camacho in 84, 85, and 1986. Marty Cohen passing away. And we begin round number 1. Camacho says he will make the IBC title grow like he did the WBO, and he defends that championship tonight against Homer Gibbins.
Well, if a fighter can be visible, defended quite often, and find the best opponents, he can be capable of doing that. Gibbins comes out immediately, wants to get inside and try to pop Camacho here, see if he can stop that movement.
Camacho has all of the flamboyance that he's always shown, but he is a calmer, gentler Macho Man. He talks about his past, saying it was fun, but now he realizes he has to train in order to be successful.
Try to appreciate his career a little bit more now as it gets into the later years.
And just to answer a question Al Bernstein posed earlier, and a left hand rocks Gibbins. He walked right into a straight left from Camacho. Camacho had never worn the Pharaoh outfit. That was new.
There you go, the fashion statement complete. Camacho has been showing more power in recent fights. Certainly, his victory over Todd Foster, he appeared very heavy-handed, a 5-round knockout back in January, and a 7-round knockout over Louis Maysonet. He went a string of fights without racking up knockouts, and now he's started to get back to the power realm.
Camacho does have 6 first-round knockouts in his career. When we went to Camacho's room yesterday to talk with him, he was watching a tape of Homer Gibbins. He was studying his opponent, playing with his children. In fact, he had to order room service to get some milk for his young son. That is a different Camacho.
In the ring, we're seeing him tight.